Ah, the life of a coder. Battling bugs, wrestling with syntax errors, and spending more time setting up your environment than actually writing code. Sounds glamorous, right? Well, folks, there might just be. Brace yourselves for the future of coding, because today we're diving into the glorious world of Bolt.New. Forget the dark circles and existential dread. Bolt.New is a dev sandbox with a built-in AI assistant, basically your coding buddy robot. Think of it like having a mini Skynet on your side, but way less likely to take over the world, probably. Now the magic happens. Hit enter and watch your AI overlord, assistant, get to work. Boom! Just like that, Bolt.New whips you up a fully functional app based on your instructions. See? No more fiddling with frameworks, libraries, or spending hours wrestling with local setups. But it gets even better. Bolt.New doesn't just build your app, it lets you tinker with it too. Dive into the code editor, customize the look and feel, add features. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Everything happens right in your browser. No downloads, no installations, just pure, unadulterated coding bliss. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Bolt.New is your new best friend. It saves you time, eliminates setup headaches, and lets you focus on what truly matters, unleashing your coding creativity. But wait, there's more. Let's break down the awesomeness of Bolt.New. Full-stack development. Build everything from front-end interfaces to back-end logic. No silos here. AI-powered assistance. Let your robot overlord assistant handle the heavy lifting. Say goodbye to boilerplate code. In-browser environment. No downloads, no installations, just pure coding freedom. Real-time code editing. See your changes reflected instantly in the website preview. So yeah, Bolt.New is pretty darn cool. Ditch the frustration, embrace the AI revolution, and start building awesome stuff today. Head over to Bolt.New, sign up for free, and experience the future of coding. Trust me, your fingers and your sanity will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the future of coding together.